Hello student, today we have to solve some question on the topic using our numbers. Question first, write each of the following numbers in digits A and B. Second question, write the following numbers in short form. Question third, how many thousands make a crore? So we start from question first. 1 crore 30 lakhs 15,002. 1 crore 30 lakh 15,002. You have to convert into digits. This is Indian system because ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It counts in the Indian place value chart. So 1 crore, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. This is the value, place value chart. This is place value chart. 1 crore. What is the value of crore? At the place of crore, you have to write 1. 1 crore, 30 lakhs, like 10 lakh. 30 lakhs, it has 2. 30 lakh. This is the place of lakh. 30 lakh, 15,000. 1, 5, 15,000, 10,000. 15,000. 2 means ones place and 100 place is 0 and 10 place is also 0. So 0, 0, 2. So we can write 1, 3, 0, 1, 5, 0, 2. Ones is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore, 30 lakhs, 15,002. So it can be written in digits. This is the representation of words into digits. So we'll start question number first, option B. B is 75 million. 75 million. 55,000. 55,000. 90. Solution. This is a international place value. It comes under the international place value chart. Million in Indian system, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. But in international place value chart, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million, 100 million. So 75 million. So 10 million. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. So here you have to write up to to 10 million. $75 million. 70 million. This is the place of million. This is the place of thousand. This is place of hundred. Add ones, tens. So, what is the 75 million? So 75 million, 55,000, not 100,000. 55,000. 55,000 and this place will be 0. 55,000, 19 and this is 0. So 75,000, 75 million, 55,000, 90. You can write this 75 million, 55,000, 90. We have to use count periods after 3 digits. So this is the 75 million, 55,000, 90. This is the representation of option B in 2 digits. Now we start question number 2. Second, write the following numbers in short form. A solution. What is A? 4 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 4. So first of all, we have to multiply 4 into 10,000, 40,000 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 4. When we add this, one place is 4, here all the one places are 0, so we write 4. Tens place, there is no tens place here. Here tens place is 9. But there is no tens place here. Tens place 0, tens place 0, so 9. 100 place is 6, 100 place is 0, 100 place is 0. So 6. 1000 plus 8, 1000 plus 0. 8 and 4. So 48,694. This is the short form of this question. This is the option A and we solve the option B. Option B. B is 40,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 8. So we solve it. 8 ones place in here ones place is 0, so we write 8. 8 tens place is 2, here tens place 0, here tens place 0. 2. 100 place is 3, here 100 place is 3. 0. So 3. 1000 place is 0. Then 1000 place is 4. This is the short form of this. This is standard form. 40,328. Now solve the question number 3. Question number 3. Solution. How many thousands make a crore? First of all, you have to write 1 crore. 1 crore. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Use periods after first period will be after 3 digits, and second after 2, third is also. Here this is 1 crore. How many thousands make a crore? How many thousands? This is 1 crore. Now we have to change it into international. Equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now we have to use the periods after 3 digits in international decimal chart. Ones, 100. So how many thousands make 1 crore? Ones is 100, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, million, 10. So how many thousand? 10 million thousand. 10 million thousand. So we have to write 10 million thousand. One says 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 10 million. This is the place of million. This is the place of thousand. This is so million, 10 million. At the place of million, there is 10. 10 million thousand. So you have to write 10 million thousands make a crore. So 10 million thousands make a crore. So after thousand, what you get? After thousand there is 10. So 10 million. This is the place of million. A million का place है, उसके बाद thousand, 10 million, thousand make a crore. So in this way, all of you can solve many types of questions from your exercise book. I think all of you will be able to solve the exercise from your exercise book. So it is sufficient for today, and all of you try to solve from your exercise book and do your best. It is sufficient for today, and we see in next video with next question. Thanks for today.